Hey everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how to add a glow effect to text using IronWord library in a .NET application. First, ensure you have the IronWord NuGet package installed in your project, but if you don't have it yet, you can easily install it using the NuGet package manager. Start by importing the IronWord namespace in your program.cs file. Then, set the license key for IronWord to unlock this full functionality. Next, we will create a new Word document using the Word document class, which will serve as the base for adding text with a glow effect. To apply the glow effect, we configure a text style object. We will define a glow color and set the glow radius to control how strong the effect will be. Once the text style is ready, we add the text Hello World to the document and apply the glow effect to it. Finally, we save the document with the glow effect applied to the text as a docx file. Let's run the application to check the output. We will see the text with a glowing aqua color in the Word document. And there you have it. We have successfully added a glow effect to text in our Word document using IronWord. And you can explore more text styling options to create visually engaging documents using IronWord. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. To get started with IronWord, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. You can click in the link below in the description and you can try for yourself.